Alright guys, so as we showed you in Easel, it's going to be pine common board, 24 by 5.5. Let's get to it. So now comes the time when we get to tape it down. Everybody's got different clamping methods for their CNC. For us, we always use this X-Fasten. This is actually their wood tape. Extremely good stuff. As well as they have 1-inch and 2-inch carpet tape, which works just as well. We alternate back and forth to use them up equally, but we'll run 2 strips of this across the back, lay it down, flush along the front. It's automatically level on the side. And then we'll program to start in the corner. Let's get to it. Time to put in the first bit, which is going to be our 1/4 inch. Slides right into the collar here. Take it in. There's all the bits have a line. Slide it into that line. Then we install it. Now we're ready to home the machine, line it up, get it ready to rock and roll. Alright guys, here comes the fun part, the probe. So you plug this little guy in up here. The clamp goes on here so it gets a connection. Slide your probe in underneath here, then back to the computer. Now you come in, you have to grab this, touch the bit, make sure there's good contact, and we're going to start probing. And what this does is ensure we have the correct thickness set up for the machine. This is where we play with it, get it lined up right on the corner here. As you can tell, the bit's hanging off a little bit, so we're going to bring it over this way and back toward you guys. Set to XY0. Then we will go to the spindle is on once we turn the router on. And next thing is up is to hit carve. We'll get to it. Here we are for the bit change. It's key and vital here. The motors are locked on the machine, but you can still gently move it. So you have to be extremely careful when you're changing out the bits. So our next one we're going to go with is our 1/8 compression bit. This has a Spectra coated from Tools today. Awesome bit. This is definitely our go-to for 1/8. So we'll get it swapped out and get started. So we got the bit changed out. Nothing moves, so we're ready to rock and roll. First carve is complete. As you can see, it pops up and asks you, hey, how'd it turn out? Is it good? Is it what you wanted? You can report a problem, say not so great, but this one looks good. So now we're gonna press on and we're gonna go into the next one. So if we hit carve, we step through, same material, clamp down material. Now we're gonna choose the detail pass. We're gonna continue and both bits are correct. And now we're going to step through our probing.